Good afternoon and welcome to BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. It's the 17th of October and we have our guest coming out to us from Auckland, New Zealand, Tina Teng, Markets Analyst at CMC Markets. Now, Tina, it's always great to have you on the show.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for having me again.
Now, Tina, for a start, Wall Street rallied overnight. Tell us about what are the key highlights and how you see the market moving.
So Wall Street rebounded from the slump on Friday last week. I think that was a relief. Really, is there is no sign of escalation of the Hamas-Israel war. At the same time, I think investors are optimistic towards the upcoming U.S. earnings season, which will be Netflix and Tesla's earnings come out later this week. And also we can see the common assets like gold, bonds, and the fear gauge VIX have all dropped. I think just the markets trying to rebound from the wall-led sell-off last week.
Now, Tina, then within the earnings itself, earnings seasons as we look ahead, now Apple obviously has set the stage for disappointment given the poor sales in China. Are you seeing then that is the forecast that earnings season will not disappoint?
Uh, Yes, I think iPhone sales now we see the signals that it's um, just a drop, especially in China, due to weakened demand and the local phone makers' competition. But probably markets will be pricing in the weakened sales in iPhone. But uh, I think just in general, China's weakened domestic demand affects on the sales of iPhone. So that's a major element that could affect its upcoming earnings result. But if the result come out better than expected, it could still there's a bridge factor to buy the dip. Um, However, I think just Apple is not like the prevailing AI stocks that they talk about AI ideas every day. So yeah, that's the expectation for the drop in the iPhone sales.
Now, finally, Tina, you're based out of New Zealand. You just had an election. Walk us through the sentiment there and what are the expectations moving forward?
So the CPI for the third quarter came out lighter than expected, which printed at 5.6% is a it's good decline from 5.9% in the second quarter. I think the lowered expectation for the central banks, RB and they to further raising rate hikes, but the bank already paused rate hikes for the last three times. So it just strengthens the odds for them to just taking rate hikes. So we can see just this really price on the New Zealand dollar. At the same time, we have this national election over the weekend, which populate temporarily, but I think in general, New Zealand dollar is still under pressure.
As always, Tina, it's great to have you on the show. Thank you very much for coming on.
Thank you, Brian.
Now, we've been speaking to Tina Teng, Markets Analyst at CMC Markets. I'm Brian Fernandez, and this has been BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. Please check out our website, www.biztech.asia, as well as our syndication partners, TV stations, radio stations, and websites for this interview. Thanks again for tuning in.